Um, can you speak on SAN certs? Are they desired certs in companies? Yes. So SAN, just a couple weeks ago, I was with a mentor of mine who has had SANS courses, SANS certs, and actually wrote for SANS. And the first time I saw SANS certs, and just so you guys know, let me just show you guys what we're talking about. SANS.org. SANS.org. So these guys have some of the best certifications for cybersecurity I've ever seen. The skill set, it's not just about the cert. The way that they teach people is an open book course, an open book test, and it's just amazing the kind of people that they put out there. It's not cheap. This is a very expensive certification. All of them are very expensive, but if you can get one of these certifications, man, they're very powerful. Normally, you have an organization pay for these for you because they're like in the like $9,000 type shit. You know what I mean? So, but these are great certifications. One of them, one of the most impressive ones that I saw was the GAIC. It was called GCIA. The GCIA cert, which is Certified Intrusion Analyst certification, was one of the most impressive certifications I saw for SOC analysts, for example. I saw with my own eyes how incredible the skill set that they developed was. It was unbelievable. It was shockingly good. So it's really good. Really good.